Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily analysis of the global gold ounce on April 6th. Last week, we saw that after gold prices reached the $4,800 area, they pulled back from this level and returned lower. Ultimately, gold finished its last weekly candle with a 4% growth and closed in the 4,675.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
$5 range. On the daily time frame, we can see that gold prices rose steadily from the start of last week after financial markets entered a risk-on state following a decrease in military tensions, filling the daily FBG area up to the $4,800 price. Moving on, we witnessed a drop in gold prices on the last trading day of last week, and now this week, after the price opened with a downward gap, it's currently trading in the $4,690 range. For the medium term, the most significant support for the global gold ounce can be considered at the previous bottom in the $4,380 range. We are currently examining the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that since the beginning of March, gold prices had been in a downward trend, consistently recording lower highs and lower lows. One important point to note is that last week, following gold's steady growth, the price actually closed above the previous high. We can consider this a clear change of character within this particular time frame. We can clearly see here that the upward movement continued exactly to the 4-hour unicorn area, and after reacting to this zone, the gold price decreased. The downward move that occurred on Thursday continued until it filled a 4-hour fair value gap area, and then gold prices found support here. Following the Axios report, which stated that mediators in the ongoing Iran-United States conflict are actively working toward establishing a 45-day ceasefire, we can see that we've witnessed gold price growth since the very beginning of this trading week. If military tensions in the region continue to decrease and the situation remains relatively stable, we can expect this upward movement in gold prices to remain ongoing for the foreseeable future. We are currently examining the 1-hour time frame. In the low time frame, we can see that an upward movement has formed in the gold price. Now, as long as the price trades above the 1-hour and 4-hour order blocks, we can consider this upward movement to be continuing. However, this upward movement requires us to simultaneously witness a decrease in Middle East tensions as well. In the event of a ceasefire announcement and successful negotiations, gold prices could continue their upward movement toward higher targets up to the $4,800 range after a short-term correction to the 1-hour FVG. But in the second scenario, if any kind of response from Iran or the United States leads to an increase in military tensions, then we can expect that the market will likely enter a risk-off state again, and gold prices could decrease once more. Wishing you success and high profits.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.